Hello. How are you today, guys? Do you feel fine? The finish line. What a wonderful build. Nissan Gtr R35 2022. Amazing kit, wonderful car. I decided to paint it in a pearl white. It's a real car with the real rims that I print in 3D printer, my 3D printer. I was detailed the engine. I know that you not see it on the video, but I promise you that we will make one. I also make the license plate for this car and it's amazing. The interior look fantastic. We will use I use my technique with masking tape. I hope that you will see it in my video on the most of the part. I also put on the spoiler a carbon fiber decal, and if you ask what is over there, I hope that you are part of the member clubs and you will also see the fully built of the Lamborghini Euros. If you not, now it's the time, because we finish also this amazing car and she look fantastic. We painted in a clear coat and after that matte look finish, and it's look fantastic with the carbon fiber decals. We also added the fuel tanks over there and I think it's amazing. But let's focus on the GTR. This is the GTR that everybody look for, the 2022 version with the rear bumper and the front bumper and amazing more parts with the skirts. And I try to do my best that she will look like that, guys. She will look like that, and it's not easy. I know it's not easy, but this is the result. Yes, sometimes the license plates love to move, but it's just with a double side sticker and you can play with it. This is what I love to do. Maybe the owner don't want the plate, maybe yes, maybe no. I never glue it. I just put double side sticker and that's it, and it's stay over there. But this is the finished look of this amazing car, and I think Hobby Design do amazing work. So if you want to buy it, I think on Hero Boy sell the trans kit for this Nissan GTR by Tamiya. I think this is the most accurate Nissan GTR. If you buy ever a Tamiya kit, you know that very accurate with a lot of details. You can see the parts and you decide how to make it. We also tint the rear window with the clear smooth black in the last part, and I just add the mirror and the license plate, and that's it. I do it alone. I don't think that you need to know. You need to see how to glue some mirrors. It's very easy, so I decided to skip it on and show you the end result of it. It's very clear with a polishing, and she look amazing. What I can say, guys, I am really happy with the result. I love you so much. This year was end without any more new video. I promise you that I will try to do my best to add more new video on the next year. We have a wonderful year 2023. Going to be very busy for me. I don't know if I have many time for YouTube, but I will try to do my best to make with you a wonderful video. You must understand that I already built many models for people, and it's the list get big and big and big, and many people want the model in my hand, and I want to build them and help them to make it. In Israel they have a lot of sports cars that people want a model in the office, in the room, in the living room. So I do it, and I will try to do my best to make it fast and in high quality like this, guys. So I will try to do a few more builds on my Instagram and also in my YouTube, but I have to make it fast because many people wait for their car. So this is one of them, and I hope that you like it. And if you have any question, I'm all the time here, guys, for you guys. Enjoy the music, enjoy the change in angle of the camera, and that's it. I hope that you like it, guys. If you have any question about this wonderful kit, I am here to help you. So let's see it, enjoy the music, and bye bye. Go support the channel.